Persian New Year or Nowruz is nearly approaching. Nowruz originates in Iran, but 20th of March, 300 million people around the world are celebrating Nowruz. Nowruz in Farsi language means new day. Hi everyone, or as we say in Farsi, salam be hamegi. How are you doing today? I hope you have had a great time so far. For those who don't know me and it's first time you visit my channel, I'm Rozina. Welcome to my channel. Herb rice with fish is traditional and popular Persian New Year Eve dinner. Herb rice with fish in Farsi language is called Sabzi Polo Ba Mahi. Herb rice is combination of rice with fresh herbs such as coriander, parsley, garlic, chives, dill, and spices. And it's served with fried fish. It's very healthy, very delicious, and easy to make, and it's just superb. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started, and I show you how to make a perfect Persian herb rice with fish for Persian New Year Eve dinner. Ingredients for making Persian style herb rice are rice, mixture of herbs such as parsley, coriander, dill leaves, chives or green part of green onions, 2 cloves of garlic, some cinnamon, cardamom, salt, oil, and a piece of tortilla bread. Ingredients for making fish with lemon, saffron, and butter sauce are slices of fish like salmon, whitefish, sea bass, fillet, or your choice of fish, saffron water, butter, olive oil, 1 lemon, some dried or fresh dill leaves, garlic, pepper, and salt. Before washing rice, clean the rice and remove husk from rice grains. Wash the rice 3-4 times with cold water until get rid of starch and husk from the rice. Drain the water and again repeat process for 2-3 more times until water is clear. Add 1 tablespoon salt to the rice. Mix together and let soak the rice for about 1 hour before cooking. Remove leaves from stalks. Cut green parts of green onions. Wash them and finely chop. Cut herbs finely. Add grated garlic to the herbs and mix together and set aside. Add cold water to a pot and bring it to a boil. For each 1 cup of rice, we need 4 cups of water. Drain salted water and transfer the rice to the boiling water and allow to cook for 7 minutes. Once or twice stir the rice so that rice grains don't clump to each other. After 7 minutes, add chopped herbs and grated garlic to the rice. Mix it with rice and let cook for 3 minutes more. Then remove from the heat, use a colander or a strainer and drain the rice. Add some water to the rice so that start the cooking process. Add good amount of oil to the same pot and cover the base of the pot with slices of tortilla bread. The reason we should add good amount of oil to the pot is because we want to make crispy crust from bottom of the pot, so that we need good amount of oil. As you do for making French fries and you fry the potatoes in the lots of oil, we should use the oil for making crispy crust in this dish as well. Now add part of the rice to the pot. Sprinkle with cinnamon and cardamom and add rest of the rice to the pot. Sprinkle remains of the cinnamon and cardamom. Add small pieces of butter top of the rice and make 2 or 3 holes in the rice to allow steam to escape. Lovely. Then wrap the lid with a kitchen towel and cover the pot with lid. Place a heat diffuser top stove and set the pot top of it. And cook the rice for about 30 minutes on low heat. Season both sides of fish with salt and pepper. Heat olive oil in a pan. Transfer the fish to the pan and fry each side for about 4 minutes. While fish is frying, gently press the fish down for a few seconds and let fry for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, flip over the fish and let's fry other side for 3-4 minutes too. When they fried, transfer them to another plate. Add some butter to the same pan that we fried the fish. Season with salt and pepper, lemon zest, and lemon juice. Give a stir and cook it for a minute. Perfect. After a minute, add grated garlic and dried dill. Give a stir. Now add saffron water. Give a quick stir and put back fish again. And let it cook for 2-3 minutes. The smell is amazing. And now turn off the heat. Fish is ready with butter, saffron, and lemon sauce. Rice is perfectly done and tahdig is ready also. Upside down the pot and transfer the rice with tahdig in the platter. So guys, I'm absolutely happy with my herbed rice and fried fish. This is pickled garlic that I have made it, and if you are interested in the recipe, you can find it in my webpage with step-by-step photos for preparation. And this is the tahdig of the rice. As you hear, it's very crunchy, crispy. It's so hot. So that's it to this video. If you have enjoyed it, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming videos. So happy Nowruz everyone, or as we say in Farsi, Nowruz Mubarak!